Many women are suffering from bust sagging due to hormonal imbalance and poor diet. It is also noticed that women used to engage in sports without providing proper support to the busts. It also causes sagging of bosoms. Smoking in pregnancy also contributes to sagging of the bosoms. So, what are the natural ways to prevent breast sagging? It is to be noted that a lot of proven home remedies for saggy bosom are available for women to lift their busts naturally. One of the proven natural ways to prevent breast sagging is through intake of Big B36 capsules. It has powerful herbs in right combination to increase cup size of the breasts and boost your appeal. It boosts blood to the tissues and cells in the bust region and provides essential nourishment. It ensures healthy deposition of fats in your boobs and promotes natural growth of the busts. It is a boon for girls with developed and small busts. You can enjoy curvaceous and bigger bust line by regularly using breast sagging herbal treatment. It makes your busts more attractive and younger with shiny skin by eliminating cracks in the nipples and curing the cysts. Potent herbs in this breast sagging herbal treatment strengthen the connective tissues and lift the boobs. Therefore, women of all ages looking for the natural ways to prevent breast sagging can use Big B36 capsules daily without any fear of side effects since it is completely herbal and natural. Vital ingredients in Big B36 capsules, the best home remedies for saggy bosom. Key ingredients in this herbal pill to prevent saggy bosoms are gambari, kaling, lajawanti, babul, padmasharini, bahagranthika, nilkadambika, jalksar and kamal etc. Usage instructions. One of the best natural ways to prevent breast sagging is by consuming one Big B36 capsule daily 3 times with plain water. It is suggested to use this herbal remedy for 90 or 120 days to enhance breast size, prevent sagging, increase volume and make them attractive. Your male partner loves the boobs because of the volume, firm and soft skin and shiny nipples. It is fun to play with the busts during copulation and enjoy intimate moments. It is a sure fact that you can satisfy the male partner with attractive boobs and juicy and tight vagina. You can buy Big B36 capsules from reputed online stores using a debit or credit card. You can also place an order using net banking option. Online stores deliver the high-quality Big B36 capsules to your doorstep without any additional charge. It also safeguards your privacy. You are advised to wear the right bra to prevent sagging of the busts. It is suggested to use cotton-made bra to make breasts grow bigger and safeguard the health of your bosom. You need to ensure sound sleep. It is suggested to include soybeans, milk, papaya, and leafy green vegetables in your daily diet to enhance the size of the breasts naturally. You can find more details about Big B36 capsules at naturogain.com. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update.